From the home display, press the menu button once to enter the configuration menu. Press the down arrow 4 times to the Configure Sensors menu option. Pressing the right arrow will show the current alarm and warning set points of each sensor. Press the up arrow to select, then adjust the alarm and warning set points. Prior to changing the alarm and warning set points, the panel will prompt the user to enter the password. Default password is 1234. At this point, the set points for the selected sensor can be adjusted. Select the next sensor and repeat the process of adjusting the alarm and warning set points. To save the current configuration, press the menu button twice and 1 to save.